Tapos na yung luto natin. So, yan. So, linagyan ko na siya ng garnish. Ito yung... Guys, so, welcome! And today is may bago naman po tayong lulutuin, which is Pad Thai. Originally, gusto kong magluto ng igado, yung Ilocanong igado, but hindi ako makahanap ng liver. So, let's start, guys. So, of course, ingredients natin, yung Pad Thai sauce, and yung rice noodles, yan, and canola oil, sesame seed, and soy sauce, and of course, egg, and spring onion, and 1 carrot, and lime, and shrimp, and tofu, and of course, yung bean sprouts. Alright guys, let's start cooking. It's here. I'm going to cook na yung tofu. So, ganyan muna. Yan guys, so we have to wait until it's going to be golden brown. Next is shrimp. So, while waiting for the shrimp, I'm going to crack 1 egg here. Alright guys, so after that, I'm going to cook them. Guys, yung shrimp natin is tapos na. So, next is yung egg. Alright guys, so ito na yung moment of truth. Lagyan na natin yung... Yan. Yan. So, next. So, dagdagan lang natin ng puting water. Here. Para maluto lang konti. This one. So, we're gonna put na yung ano, what's this? Yung soy, yung sauce niya. So, here. I think lahat na. Yes. Yung lahat ko na. Yan. So, haluin lang natin. Parang ang dami. Okay lang yan. So, so we have to mix them. Like that. Diba? Kung patay natin. Parang naging spaghetti na siya. Put na yung egg. So, mix lang natin. Put some So after that, of course, shrimp. So after ng shrimp, of course, tofu. Oh my god. So, yan. Tapos, ito guys, fresh onion. Ano ba yan? Bean sprout. Yan. I-mix lang natin. Yan, malapot na yung ano natin. Alright guys, so i-plate ko lang siya and then I'll be right back.